So the benefits of a service replacement engine are lower total cost of ownership, lower maintenance cost, and reduced downtime for a customer. Typically when an SRE is required, a machine is coming to the end of its life. So an SRE can offer a customer the option to extend the life of their total machine. You get full new warranty, and one of the benefits of that is when a customer comes to replacing their engine, their original engine is usually outside of the warranty period. So when integrating an SRE into an old machine, the customer can be assured that they get full warranty with that engine. So with a service replacement engine, the life cycle of the engine starts again. So you really reduce the amount of service required compared to an older engine that would be already integrated into a machine. A customer can have peace of mind knowing that that engine is still within the warranty period, so they can always rely on our distribution network to support them if there are any challenges with service, maintenance or repair on the engine.